From Elon Musk's soul-shaking words.
But like creating a company is almost like having a child. So it's sort of like, how do you say your child should not have food?
To Bernard Arnault's secrets of enormous success.
I am very competitive. So it's like in tennis. I always want to win.
At the beginning of the 1980s, Richard Branson became convinced that there was a dire need for cheaper airlines for customers. At that time, his biggest hurdle was air travel giants like TWA and American Airlines, who were waiting to suppress his idea in any way possible. Moreover, Branson was also mocked for sharing his unique idea. However, when Virgin Airlines launched in 1984, not only it went viral, but it also became a $3.5 billion company today. This shows believing in your idea and solving a problem at the right time can make an everlasting difference in your whole life. Now, it does not mean that you will always achieve success at the beginning, because failure or struggle is also part of the business. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. As simple as this statement looks, there lies a memory that Bill Gates can never forget. You see, at the age of just 17, Gates, with his friends Paul Allen and Paul Gilbert, started a company called Traf-O-Data. The objective was to collect raw data from traffic counters and provide an organized report to the traffic engineers. As the company failed to create sufficient profit, he was forced to shut it down. However, Gates knew that he was destined to build something bigger. Because when one door was closed, the other one with Microsoft opened. Although Gates owns only 1.38% of Microsoft, it is worth more than $19 billion. And the business card of their Traf-O-Data company is now situated in the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science.